Today on Mike Attempts, repairing a Paslode nail gun. I got this broken Paslode Powermaster 5350 90S framing nailer from a pile of free tools. Let's crack it open. It even came with some nails. Well, at least it's not full of crumbled seal chunks. The head on this Allen bolt is hidden inside the magazine. I think these strings are from Teflon tape used on the air fittings. These 3 pins secure the remaining pieces. The bumper still seems to be in good shape. However, the bumper post is hard and brittle. The main valve spring looks good. But we're also going to need a new sleeve seal. I had to use some snap ring pliers to disassemble this section and access the O-rings. The air deflector has a crack, so I applied some super glue and reinstalled it. I picked up a new sleeve seal, a new bumper post, and a complete O-ring kit. With all parts cleaned, now it's just a matter of replacing the O-rings and seals and reassembling. I dipped all the new O-rings in air tool oil before installing. I'm pretty sure someone was in here before me because I double checked the parts diagram and the main valve spring is supposed to be installed in this orientation. It was flipped over when I took it apart. Be sure this O-ring is tucked into the groove before pushing the pieces together. I had to use a screwdriver to ensure the snap ring was fully seated. The new bumper post just snaps right in. This is my third attempt at repairing different brands of nail guns, so I'm far from an expert, but it seems like the stiffer seals and bumpers always need to be replaced. And even though a lot of the O-rings usually look fine, it's fairly inexpensive peace of mind to just replace them all while you're in there. Using a pick helps to avoid twists in the new O-rings. The sleeve is a tight fit with the new O-rings, but nothing a few taps from a rubber mallet can't solve. The new sleeve seal is a little stiff, but just lube it up and work it on slowly. I used thread locker on the larger bolts and started them all by hand to avoid cross-threading. Tightening the bolts incrementally in a crisscross fashion helps keep the pressure uniform. This piece has a small bent tab to hold the end of the spring. Reinstall the trigger like this. You want the metal flap to be able to move freely in front of the trigger screw. Once reassembled, double check that everything slides properly when pressing the contact nose. And be sure both pins are on top. Let's try it out. Seems to be working well. Feel free to rate this video, add your comments and questions below, and subscribe for more.